Dear students, now let us see on page number 27, after we have done the comparative and superlative degrees of adjectives, let us understand these points. My elder sister lives in Mysore. Mr. Das' eldest daughter is a doctor. So here elder and eldest are used for persons and not for animals or things. They are used to denote the position of one member of the family with reference to the another member or members of the family or in the family. If I talk about oldest or older, older and oldest both can be used with persons and things, right? Whereas, see, in the related exercise, elder and eldest can be used only with human beings, and older and oldest can be used with both human beings and things. So this is the difference between older oldest and elder eldest. Now come to latest, later, latter, last. What are these? Let us understand this point. Latest and later are used to indicate time, whereas latter and last are used to indicate position. Further means additional, farther means more distant. See part is fill in the blanks with last, latter, later, nearest, next, farther, further, older, oldest, elder and eldest. So now elder and eldest is clear, used with human beings. Older and oldest used with human beings as well as things. Further is in addition to, means additional. Further he added in his speech. So in addition to he said. Farther means the distance. Further is in addition to. Farther means the distance. Next, you understand the next one, nearest. The thing which is very near to us, the nearmost, you can say, the nearest. Later, later indicates time. I will do this work later means it is indicating time. I will do this later on means tomorrow or some time else. Latter, latter gives us the position. Means whatever thing we are talking about is it is positioned forward or backward or whatever. So it gives us the position. And last, last again gives us the position, same. So let's understand the exercise. We have no further information. In addition to, we have no more information. Nobody listened to the latter part of his speech. Means the part of the speech which was positioned afterwards, nobody heard it. Why don't you take the next train to Delhi? Neha was the last guest. So last is telling us the position. Means if like everybody was entering, she was the last one to come. Vera is the eldest daughter of the family. The is there, it means eldest. Means the superlative degree. The oldest. This is the oldest building in the city. Meeta is elder than Vinita. Meeta, Vinita. Comparison, so comparative degree. Neeta went into the nearest police station to lodge her complaint. The nearest, superlative degree again. After this, we will be learning about order of adjectives. See, sometimes in a sentence, more than one adjective can appear. How do we write them then? Adjectives are used in the order shown in this table. First, we take general opinion, then size, then age, shape, color, then any proper adjective which can be nationality, origin and material, then purpose. After general opinion, we also divide opinion into two, which is general opinion and then specific opinion about a particular thing. Then size. As you can see, I have put arrows. Then age and shape can interchange. Here age is on number 3, but age can come after shape and shape can come before age. Color. Then nationality. First, in proper adjectives, first is nationality and origin, and second one comes as material, and in the last, purpose. So let us understand with the 2 or 3 examples. Here the adjectives given are red, silk and bright. Red, silk, bright. Red is color. According to the table, we give it number 5. Silk is material. According to the table, we give it number 6. Bright. It's a general opinion. Number 1. So what should be our answer? We have to put it in increasing order. Bright, red, silk dress. Let's do more. In the second sentence, we have, did she like the? We have adjectives pink, expensive, fresh. Pink is the color. Pink, right? It takes number 5. Expensive takes number 1. It is a general opinion. And fresh, again a general opinion or a specific opinion. So expensive and fresh both are opinions. They can be did she like the expensive fresh or fresh expensive? Both can be correct. Then pink will come in the last. Roses you bought for her. Same way in the third one, brown, naughty, small, restless. Naughty and restless both are opinion. So naughty and restless will come in the first, and then small is the size. It will come last. Then we have brown as color. Brown will come in the last and small in the second last position. Number 4 adjectives are well ventilated, old, spacious. So well ventilated is an opinion. Old you can say is the age. Actually, house, it is old. Yes, it is not a human being, but still we can put it in the category of age. And spacious is again opinion. So well ventilated, spacious, old house. Come to the fifth one, German, black, antique. We know German is nationality, which will come in the last according to this table, right? So German will go in the last. Black is a color, antique is opinion. So opinion will come first, then color, then nationality or proper adjective. The shop had a variety of marble, exquisitely carved, costly statues for sale. So let us see these 3 how we are arranging it. Costly and exquisitely carved, both are the opinions. And then marble will come in the last as it is material. So the shop had a variety of costly, exquisitely carved marble statues for sale, right? Then number 7. Grandmother is very fond of delicate, silver, pretty jewelry. Pretty is opinion, delicate is again opinion. So pretty we are taking as general opinion and delicate as specific opinion. Pretty, delicate, silver is the material which will come in the last. Number 8. Mona keeps all her valuables in a wooden heavy large box. Heavy, large is the size, wooden is the material, heavy large wooden box. So this way we order the adjectives.